Hi guys, this is Johny of redjanTV, and today we're going to sleep in the car. Let's go! And we got our first Pokemon. Hi baby girl, are you okay down there? Hi love. We're going to enjoy our food for now before we go to sleep. And also, I am going to play a Pokemon game before I go to sleep. So let me just fix the camera angle. Time to eat.
Eat now. But where's Papa's food? We're not waiting, huh? Going to eat in the plaza.
Is this all the food, or you have pay?
We have a burger and we have a hot dog.
We're going to eat
Yeah.
some.
Thank you for the food. You don't have a drink?
Yes.
It's spicy. Right now, we are located in Argao Municipal Hall in our left side, and over there is the Argao Church. So we are safe
We're going to eat in the
because
car.
not only 100 meters with my left is the police station. So this area right here is pretty safe. We can enjoy our food. But not too much.
Your head.
It's spicy.
Your head. What's that?
It's a hot dog.
You have hot dog. Hello? Is it hello?
Yes.
Hello.
So yummy.
Yes. Finish.
Delicious.
We not hot dog and two bowl.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Enough hot dog and the car.
Mm-hmm.
Because you're going to eat this for you before it's gonna be. The hand is dirty, Mama.
You need to wipe it. This way.
Almost done.
Here, Mama.
I forgot to buy the Mountain Dew. I should have bought that one. But I'm thinking they don't have a straw.
Mm.
So you still have your burger and your hot dog.
And they have that.
Yes.
I'm going to eat the burger and the hot dog.
You want
later.
You want the spicy burger?
Yes.
No.
It's still early, so we can I can still play my game, Pokemon game, before I go to sleep.
Sorry, Mama.
Oh, should I say before I eat the burger and go to sleep?
Mama.
Don't worry guys, I'm going to show you the gameplay because I'm going to record my screen in the end. going to put my name here as Johny.
No, you need to put there. Papa, go.
Oh no! I wanted to choose Charmander, but
Mama, what you coming, Mama?
I misclicked.
What you coming?
Tapos bibiin nyo talaga yun.
Our first win. Super tackle.
What's that red one?
14.
What's that red one? I said, what's that red one? I said, what's that red one? Red one. What's that red one, Mama?
Let's just stop the game until I catch my first Pokemon. And I'm going to choose later on what I'm going to catch. So, during my next videos, I'm going to continue to play this game. But for now, my goal is to catch one Pokemon and end it from there. Because I'm kinda getting sleepy. So, I think it's nice that we set up. So, do I have some Pokeballs? Oh, I have 5. Ratata? No. I don't like Ratata that much. Evolve to Raticate. Pidgey. Pidgey will do. We will tackle Pidgey until we got the Pidgey in low health. This will do. And we got our first Pokemon. Let's go. No nicknames and saving the game here. Okay guys, that's enough gaming for tonight. And I'm gonna prepare to sleep by doing this. See ya guys in the morning. Thank you and enjoy the night. Turning off the lights now. Good night. Hi friends, I'm Rayjohn. You can call me Johny from redjanTV. So we'll just have to chill right here, talk a little bit, and just spend talking with each other. Yeah, we're going to end this soon, so please take the floor, share anything what you like in these 20 seconds. I'm listening. You know what? That's actually a great idea. You should continue doing that. Okay, bye for now. See ya.